Haven, Michigan, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were crossing southern Lake Michigan. Movement was to the east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Haven Light, St. Joseph Light, the Saugatuck Pier Heads, and St. Joseph. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. At 6 p.m. Eastern.
That's the watch.
Apology accepted. And thanks.
Time Saturday. This watch includes the following.
Well, that was quite a day.
You can say that again. And maybe, just maybe, Rodney learned his lesson.
Oh, just Rodney, huh?
No, me too. In fact,
Damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen.
What was that?
wait a minute. Wait just a minute.
Oh, what's the matter?
They just issued it.
Radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Station KXI-94 in Angola.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren. What? Severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren. I literally jinxed it.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren County in southwestern Michigan until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Van Buren State Park, 47 miles southwest of South Haven, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source.
It's my go-to station. What I love is I'm music bringing forward the next Starship. Some of my favorites. I break it down.
Locations impacted include South Haven, Paw Paw, Hartford, Mydawon, Lawton, Bangor, Decatur, Van Buren State Park, Lake Michigan Beach, Pine Grove, Covert, Keeler, Lawrence, Gobles, Bloomingdale, Breedsville, Glendale, Grand Junction, Kendall, Lakota. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Anything that you can put on your phone. And it does, you know.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, northwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, northeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Benton Heights, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Marcellus around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Spinks Corners, Millburg, Moore Park, Howardsville, Flowerfield, Fishers Lake, Riverside, and Magician Lake.
There's two.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 32 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Conditions around the area at 8 p.m. At Kalamazoo, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 84%. The pressure was 29.84 inches and falling. Across the remainder of southwest lower Michigan, temperatures were between 71 and 76 degrees. At Muskegon, haze was reported. At Battle Creek, it was partly sunny. It was cloudy at Benton Harbor and Lansing. At Grand Rapids, rain and fog were reported.
Alright, so I'm looking at this one right here, and look at this velocity. Like, look at that. It's got really strong rotation too. Like it'd be right there if it was anything.
And in Marquette, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 73.
So what does that have?
In neighboring
So
states,
nothing compared to
Milwaukee
that.
was 74 degrees. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kalamazoo County in southwestern Michigan until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Paw Paw, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Oh no.
Hazard, 85 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Kalamazoo, Portage, Vicksburg, Galesburg, Mydawon, Schoolcraft, Climax, Richland,
That was
Comstock
awesome.
Northwest, Westwood,
I think that was
Lake,
part of the ground.
Alamo, Fulton, Augusta, Oshtemo, Comstock, Scotts, Cooper. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Here is the National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elkhart County in north-central Indiana, eastern
Yeah,
St. Joseph County in north-central Indiana, Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County
Hey,
in
both St.
southwestern
Josephs.
Michigan until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Berrien Springs to 6 miles southwest of New Carlisle, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
I want to
outbuildings.
get to my house.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Niles and Dowagiac around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cassopolis and Edwardsburg around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elkhart and Simonton Lake around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bristol around 10:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Constantine, Wakarusa, and White Pigeon around 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Vandalia, Daly, La Grange, Paradise Lake, Barron Lake, Calvin Center, Adamsville, Sumnerville, Juneau Lake, and Donda Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 79 and 107. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cass and northwestern St. Joseph counties is canceled.
I have no idea what this is. Oh, Calhoun. Hey. They lower the winds.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in south central Michigan until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Galesburg, or 9 miles east of Kalamazoo, moving east at 50 miles per
We're in the
hour.
thick of it right now.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albion, Marshall, Battle Creek, Homer, Union City, Burlington, Level Park Oak Park, Brownlee Park, Baringo, Athens, Tecansha, Pine Creek, Bedford, Ceresco. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Elkhart County, Indiana, northwestern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, southern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Marshall County,
Hey, I bet 104.7's relaying this one.
Eastern Daylight Time.
We should go check.
At 10:14.
Yes.
Storms were at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour. Source are indicated. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dunlap and Bristol around 10:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Around at 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Syracuse around 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rome City around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other than 40 p.m. Eastern Daylight severe thunderstorms include Huntsville, Woodland, Foraker, Lake Wyandotte, Belton, Locke, Waterford Mills, Wyant, and Walcottville. For your move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaGrange, Marshall, Noble, and St. Joseph. This is LaGrange, Marshall, Noble, and St. Joseph. Of May the 1st, showers and thunderstorms.
Hey, there it is.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Fulton County, Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, eastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, east central LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hamlet or near Knox, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Plymouth, Winona Lake, Walkerton, North Liberty, Bourbon, Argus, Culver, North Webster, Kirsten, Mentone, Coons Lake, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Oak Grove, Etna Green, La Paz, Leesburg, Claypool, and Burkitt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark.
Oh. Alright.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, until daylight time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Union City to near severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Union City to hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, source, radar indicated. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Union City around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coldwater around 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Litchfield around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jonesville and Quincy around 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Reading around 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hillsdale around 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hudson around 11:25 p.m.
Faster.
Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Prattville, Girard, North Adams, Lake Wilson, Waldron, Ransom, Moscow, Kinderhook, Shadyside, and Osseo. In between mile markers 3 and 21. Interior room on the lowest floor. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan: Branch, Hillsdale, and St. Joseph.
I've come to tell you how things fallen from.
Salem around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these storms include Pittsfield Township, Whitaker, Plainfield, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Bridgewater, Delhi Mills, Pleasant Lake, Barton Hills, and Pinckney State Recreation Area. If outdoors, seek shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may cause localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Michigan. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Union City to near Sturgis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Union City around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coldwater around 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Litchfield around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jonesville and Quincy around 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
What the heck? Oh, Jackson. Am I ever gonna get a chance to lay down?
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in south central Michigan until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Brooklyn, Grass Lake, Vanderbilt Lake, Leone, Spring Arbor, Napoleon, Sandstone, Norval, Pulaski, Concord, Horton, Springport, Parma, Hanover, Point, Tompkins, Rives Junction, Sunset Beach, Michigan Center. The main alert for a possible tornado.
Yeah.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
Wow, I'm getting terrible interference now.